Hi guys, today we've got this beautiful curly braid hairstyle. To start, I'm going to take the crown section of the hair and bring this to the back of the head and secure it with a clear elastic band. Next, grab some texture spray and apply it all over the top of the hair. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then gently pinch and pull at the hair to create some volume and a little bit of messy texture. Next, I'm going to leave a few bits of hair out to frame the face, and I'm just going to clip these out of the way, and I'm going to repeat this on the opposite side. Again, clip them out of your way for later. Now all we're simply going to do is take a chunk of hair from both sides of the head, bring them together at the back of the head, but make sure that you're pulling them slightly over to the right hand side. Tie them together with an elastic band, and then we're going to pop some fingers behind that elastic band, grab the tail and pull it through to create a twist. Add some more of your texture spray along that twist and then gently pinch and pull at the twist to give it more volume. Now we're going to do the same steps as before, so we're going to take a chunk of hair from the left and right hand side of the head, bring them together, but this time we're going to secure them slightly towards the left hand side of the head with a clear elastic band. Pop your fingers behind that elastic, grab hold of the ponytail and pull it through. And then just make sure you tighten it up by pulling on the ponytail. Apply your texture spray and really pinch and pull these twists apart. I pull from the top of the twists and also from the bottom to make sure they're extra voluminous. So we've got one more section before we run out of hair from the side of the head. So we're going to do the same steps again. Take your two side sections, bring them over to the opposite side, so the right hand side, tie them together and then flip the ends through. Tighten it up by pulling on that ponytail and apply your texture spray to the twists, and then pinch and pull at those twists for more volume. So now we've got like a ponytail section hanging down from the nape of the neck, and we're just going to do the same steps again. So taking a section from the outside, bringing them together, and this time we're going to the opposite side, so the left hand side. Tie them together and flip your ends through to create your twist. Tighten it up and apply your texture spray to those twists. Now pinch and pull those twists apart, but we're going to really pinch and pull so they're nice and wide so you don't end up with a little skinny braid. And basically we're going to carry on doing this all the way down to the bottom of the hair, but you want to make sure that you leave a few inches of hair spare. So keep crisscrossing those sections from left to right and pulling them out as much as you can to give the illusion of more volume. As you get down towards the bottom of the hair, it's really important that you pinch and pull as much as you can to keep the thickness of the braid. So I'm just working on my last section now, and as you can see we've left a little bit of hair hanging loose. Now we're just going to quickly curl the ends of the hair so it matches the rest of the braid. Next, curl all the hair at the front of the face that we left for later, and I like to curl all of these away from the face. And repeat this on both sides of the head. Next, I'm just going to take those individual curls and using a topsy tail tool, I'm going to thread this through the curly braid and pull the curls through and secure each one with a bobby pin. And I'm just going to do this from left to right, working with those curls, doing them down the outside of the braid and also in the middle. So this one I'm taking over towards the middle of the hair and I'm just going to pull it through the top and secure it with a bobby pin. Then, because it's quite a long curl, I'm going to thread the midway point halfway down the braid and pull that through also. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.